Hello Beat family, this is me Naren. Today I am going to point out some disadvantages of high level language and many other topics too. The high level language are machine independent. That is why the program written in high level language may not run in another machine. It is less memory efficient because it may take more memory as compared with low level programs, cannot communicate directly with the hardware, and it is much slower because the high level language are needed translated to be converted into the machine code. Now we will discuss the translator about the translator. uh, Translators are the software programs that translates high level language into the machine code, so that a machine can understand about the code. There are two types of translator. They are compiler and interpreter. Here we will discuss about compiler and interpreter. Are the programs that checks a line by line, one statement at a time. But the compiler scans the entire program and translate the whole code into the machine code. Interpreters makes debugging easy as because interpreter translate a code, checks code line by line, but compiler check or scans the entire program, and so that the error error becomes debugging becomes more complicated. As if we modify a bug in program, it may affect the whole programs. Interpreters are mostly used in Python, Ruby, and many other programs language, and compiler are mostly used in C, C++, Java, and .NET, and also Android and many more other programs too. What is procedure oriented language 3GL? It is a general purpose language. The procedure oriented language are based on idea of modularity, where entire program is divided into modules. These modules are further divided into the procedure, functions, and routines and subroutines. They are oriented toward rather than instruction. They are procedure oriented. They are procedure oriented. For example, C, C++, Java, they are all the procedure oriented language. In the same manner, problem oriented language 4GL, they are used to solve specific problem. They are result oriented and includes database query language. They are much more similar with human natural language, and it may easy for us to understand problem oriented language 4GL. For example, MySQL, Prolog, etc. They are all the problem oriented language.